So today is Mahasoshti of Durga Puja festival, the greatest festival of Bengali. Like every year, we are going to celebrate this day in the morning with the student friends. First, they will see the result of pre-puja examination they already had given earlier. After that, they will enter the room in group. 15 to 20 students will sit here, and according to their class, essays are selected. They will be given paper, 15 minutes time. They will write their name, class. They will be given the name of the topic. They will write the same on the top of the paper, and within 15 minutes they will write whatever they can. After that, they will deposit their paper, and another group of students will enter. In this way, all the students will attend the examination. The result will be declared later, and in each and every class, first, second, third, fourth rank will be taken for reward, and reward will be given in the prize distribution ceremony of Friendly Tutorial Home. That is held at any separate house, rented house, on first April of every year. And after they submit the paper of essay contest, for a fun and amusement, a tongue twister topic will be given. They will repeat it for several times, 6 or 7. If they are correct, they will be declared as the winner of the tongue twister, and the prize will be given in the annual prize distribution ceremony to be held on 1st April. In this way, we will complete our program within 9 or 9:30. Our program is going to start at 7 a.m. In the evening, we will also perform eating contest, and that will be declared in the evening before starting. So, I want to convey all the viewers, all the student friends here, happy Mahasoshti. Thank you.
প্রত্যেক বছরের মতো আমাদের এর দিন মহাষষ্ঠী দুর্গা পুজোর দিনে রেজাল্ট বেরোয়। আমাদের রানিমা একজন স্টুডেন্ট, ও রেজাল্ট দেখছে। তো রানিমা, তোমার রেজাল্ট দেখলে তুমি? তো তুমি তো এখানে ক্লাস 11-এ পড়ো, তো তুমি কত পেয়েছো? তোমাদের তো সেমিস্টার প্যাটার্নে হয়েছে, কত পেলে? 70%। তুমি স্পোকেন করো, স্পোকেনে কত পেলে? 92। বাহ, তাহলে তুমি রেজাল্ট দেখে খুশি তো? তা এখানে আমাদের রেজাল্ট আছে, সবাই এক একজন করে এসে দেখবে, দেখে এসে কন্টেস্ট হবে, পার্টিসিপেট করবে, তারপর টাং টুইস্টার হবে, তাতে পার্টিসিপেট করবে প্রত্যেক বছরের মতো।
First batch of essay contest is going to start. So I have already given the paper. What is your class? Visesa? Class 6. You write your topic, peacock. And Sound, you write, your class is 7. You write national flag. Somi, your senior spoken, your topic is happiness is a journey, not destination. So on the top you write your name and class, then you write the name of topic. After that, I'll say start, you will start. Start.
Stop writing, your time is over.
Second group of essay contest, your topic I am telling, all classes topic I am declaring. Class 5 tiger, class 6 peacock, class 7 national flag, class 8 role of mother in our life, class 9 true friendship, class 10 pollution ruins our beautiful art. On this code you have to write. Class 11 there is another quote, everything is fair in love and war. Class 12 another quote, what we think, what you think you will be. Ex-student and all senior, those who are in spoken or any other. It is also a quote, happiness is a journey, not destination. So here those who are, I think there is no 5, only 6, they are peacock. Peacock and 7 national flag. And Mausumi senior spoken, happiness is a journey not destination. I am giving you the paper. I have already given you the paper. You write your name and class on the top of the paper. And after that, according to your class, you write that name of topic. After that, I will tell start. You will start writing. You will be given 15 minutes time. After that, I will tell stop. You will deposit the paper. Time of starting is 7:30 and end time is 7:45. Start. So, second group, time is over. Stop writing. Third batch of essay contest will start now. Total 16 candidates of different classes. So you have been given the paper and you have already written the name. So your time 8 past 2 minutes. End time is 8:17. So group 3 batch, time is over. Stop writing. Give the paper. Batch number 4, I think, all are given papers and they have already written the topic. You will start 15 minutes to 9 and you will end just at 9. Start.
8:45, 9:10.
Batch, the time is over. Stop writing. Submit the paper. So this is the last and final batch of essay contest, batch number 5. So already papers are given, topics are given, they already have written their name and class. So their starting time 9:41. So 56, 9:56. Start. Last and final batch. The time is over. Stop writing. Submit the paper. কালেক্ট করো, পেছন থেকে কালেক্ট করো, পেছন থেকে কালেক্ট করে নাও সব দাও আমাকে।